Welcome back, guys. Here in this lecture we are going to learn about the how OpenCV provide easy access to video feeds. So here we are just enabling application to provide real-time processing and display the processed video output in real-time application. So the video tabbed for an image at the start are repeating loop while they represent the actual image processes occur. If you're having trouble access the live stream video, and you could also import a raw image sequence and simply load a new image on each iteration of the loop. So we need to start with this our practical coding. So here I would like to show you here we have available present now in the 08 start lecture directory, and we have just only this file. So there is no video or anything available in this directory. So let's start with this import numpy as np and import the cv2, and now just make to create the capture and cv2 dot video capture and pass to 0. So 0 argument input that indicates the continuity, and this abstract a lot of under the hood operations that the operating system and OpenCV in order to decide what camera to use if there are multiple, and how to handle the passing frames into the OpenCV. So thankfully we don't have to worry about that. Now we are going to create a while loop basically for what to do that, just a while, and we will pass into it the true and this colon. So here to do this we will just forever loop and pressing enter, and now what we need to do just to initiate, or you can say like that, to register a wait key. If we do not register a legitimate exit to our loop, then we may end up getting stuck and have to force quit the application. So to do that we just need to write it like this way: cv2 dot wait key capital, and here in this pause the 1, and if the condition ch and 0x double f, this is for that indicate the just only to needed when you are using the 64-bit machine, and here this one is just for milliseconds. If you can add 10, then it will wait for that as well. So 0x double f is only needed if you are 64-bit machine. Otherwise you can simply type ch is equal to, and then we will use this command to convert the q character basically here the port, and here just a q character for example into the key that would match the ch value. If that condition is met, then we want to break out the loop. So what is this? Just here we need to break this loop. Okay, and then finally it is important that we use the cap release at the very end of the program. Means like at the end, just we need to write here the cap dot release, and to do that basically we also needs to end the program, and then appropriate, then we can use the cv2 dot destroy all Windows. Here we go. So now this is basic structure of the loop is finalized, but actually we're not doing anything with with the video capture at this point. We're simply enter a while loop and then waiting for us to press the key before exit, and to actually use the camera, let's jump back up into our code here inside into the while. If you see here, the first thing we want to do is actually read the video capture stream. This can be done using the ret is equal to ret and the frame, and that is equal to cap dot read. So what it is doing, this is basically read command will always read a new frame from the video capture. The last two steps are to resize the video if we need to again and then display the image using the show, then how to do it and how to resize it. To resize as we previously experienced about it, how we can resize. So cv2 dot resize, and here in this we will pass the frame, and just original frame captured we are, and then absolute pixels amount we need to provide it here with the 00, and now but rather use the fx is equal to 0.5 and fy equal to 0.5. Then we can use the cv2.mshow, much like would be any image, and then type a frame for it, like cv2.mshow here, and just needs to present the frame here and frame with that way. Now basically I would like to save this script and make sure that you know the character to escape out of the loop. In that case we have specified the letter Q, and make sure that you have the cap release here. That is the cap release. That is because if you don't have these two things, it may prevent you from being able to use the camera in future iterations of the script without having to log out of your system. Now let's switch to a release command, and then move into the to execute this code here, the python 3 and 08.py. Would like to access the camera, it's asking for permission, so here we go, and it's now executing the code, and here it's coming to this way, like to present me here. I am here and just in front of you for this execution of this code. So now you can exit from this by just only a simple Q command. That's it. Thank you, and I'll be back with next